Hello guys, welcome to 3D Vlogs. This is part 2 on user input. Today we will learn about character input in Python. So let's study that. In last video we learned to accept integers from the user, but today we will learn how to accept characters from a user. We shall also learn to make a simple calculator. Instead of integers, character input accepts character from the user. So guys, let us do a simple program on character input. Actually, the only difference between character input and user input is that we omit that in statement before character input. So guys, look at the output. The computer asked me to enter a character. I gave 3D vlogs. Then it printed 3D vlogs. So guys, character input is not that much hard to understand. Let's move on to our simple calculator. So guys, let us understand what a calculator does. It accepts two numbers, two or more numbers. Today we will discuss only about two numbers. Then it will give the sum, difference, product and the quotient of the given numbers and even remainder. We will do that. So let's start. To make this calculator we need only 12 lines. Wow, that's great. So let's understand it. At first it accepts two numbers from the user. I have given the value as a and b. Then we have another variable which has values a plus b, a minus b, a into b, a divided by b and a modulus b. Then we print each of them simultaneously. So guys, look at the output. I gave the first number as 50, the second number as 30. Then it gives the sum as 80, difference as 20, product as 1500 and quotient it is a float number and the remainder after dividing. So you might have understood how does this calculator works. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video. If you have any doubts or suggestions, feel free to leave in the comment box. So bye bye.